Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I thought I'm gonna show you a test run of the Kamaz frame. As always, I use a dumb rock remote. And on this one I took out the spring in the steering wheel so it don't turn back on itself. I think that will help when it comes to scale driving. And after I try it, I must say it's really nice and I think it will work great. So yeah, we'll see later on, but for now I'm happy with it. Look at it go. Yeah, that moves really smooth. It is crawling along. On this one I have used a Quick Run Fusion 8800 kV ESC from Hobbywing. And it moves really good. But yeah, it's a bit light right now, the frame. So yeah, it's yeah, I try, but I failed. That I will fix later on with the cab and stuff on, and maybe I will get some weights in the tires. Here you can see how it will go over the terrain. Nice and smooth. Springs works really nice. Same here, it's a bit light so it doesn't move its full potential, but yeah, I think this could be really good. And here we have the angle from the motor to the transfer case. It's better on this one than on my cross. Oh yeah, it moves really smooth. It's really nice driving. So now I only need to fix the crane, all the electrics in that one. I'm waiting for some cable to do that, and then on with the cab and bed and everything and fix some details. But then the truck itself is finished, I think, soon. Then I just need to move along to the cart and paint that when I get the tires and everything. So yeah, hopefully you will soon see it in action. So leave a comment, subscribe and like and all of that, and yeah, see you. Goodbye.